guys, it's Janine here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the order of operations. So let's get started. So there's a fun little way of remembering the order of operations, and that's the acronym Pemdas. And Pemdas is PEMDAS is an acronym, and so the P stands for parentheses. So if there's an expression and we have parentheses, this is the first thing that we're going to focus our attention on and evaluate. The next thing that we look for is exponents. So that's what the E stands for. And so we have exponents. And then the next thing we have is multiplication or division. The two are equal in ranking in terms of priority. So whenever we have multiplication and division, we evaluate it from left to right. So we have multiplication and division. And lastly, we have addition and subtraction, and these are equal in ranking in terms of priority as well. So when we see addition and subtraction, we evaluate the one that's closest to the left first and then make our way to the right. So we have addition So let's take a look at an example. So we have here 3 minus 1 plus 8 divided by 2. So let's take a look here at our PEMDAS and see what we'll evaluate first. So let's see, do we have any parentheses? No, we don't. So let's move on to the next one. Do we have any exponents? Nope, we don't have that either. And then we have the multiplication or division. So do we have multiplication or division? We have division here. So we'll evaluate this first, and 8 divided by 2 is 4. So let's write a 4 right here. And then the last step is to look for any addition or subtraction we may have. And remember that whenever we have addition and subtraction, we always evaluate this from left to right. So here we have, on the left, we have 3 minus 1. So let's look at that first. So 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 4. So that gives us 6. Let's take a look at another problem. So in this problem, we have 2 plus 3 times 5 squared divided by 7 minus 2. Let's take a look at our PEMDAS here and see if we have any parentheses. And so we look right here and we do have parentheses. So we evaluate that first, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So we put a 5 right here. And the next step is to look for any exponents we may have. So take a look here, and we have an exponent right there. So 5 squared is 25. So after exponents, we look for multiplication and division. And so we have multiplication and division. So the multiplication and division are of equal priority, so we always evaluate them from left to right. So here we have a 3 times 25. And 3 times 25 is 75. So we end up with this. So we have 2 plus 75 divided by 5. So we still have a division. So we have 75 divided by 5, which is 15. So we end up with 2 plus 15, which is 17. Let's take a look at one more example. So in this problem, we have 16 divided by 4 times 2 squared minus 3 plus 2. So first we look for any parentheses that we have, and so we have parentheses right here. So 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And then the next step is to look for any exponents we may have, and we have an exponent right here. So 2 squared is 4. So after exponents, we have multiplication and division. So we have division right here, and we have multiplication right here. So remember, whenever we have multiplication and division in a problem, we always evaluate them from left to right. So we have 16 divided by 4, and that's equal to 4. 4 times 4 minus 5. So next step is the multiplication. So we have 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So we have 16 minus 5. So the last step is to do any addition or subtraction, and we have a subtraction problem right here. And so we end up with 11. Okay, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. And I'll talk to you guys all later. Bye.